Yep.
Why she couldn't come in.
Yep. That's the beauty of the UV, guys. Dogs get back on the floors same day.
And don't, do you see all that?
You see all that hair?
Like, I don't want to add to it. Yeah.
What's her name again?
Okay. All right, let me get my, what?
What's her name again?
Mildred.
Mildred. Hey, guys, this is Mildred. She's back on the floors already.
Took my purse outside.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah.
Millie. I hear you, girl. Back on the floor same day, guys.
But at least I'm not stuck outside.
Nope.
Right?
Yep, and movers will be back in about, like I said, he'll be here in about 35, 45 minutes.
Okay.
Move the furniture back. I hear you, girl. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Look at this beautiful day. We're out here in the Sandy Springs area. This is Mrs. Mary. Mrs. Mary had me come out last weekend, did an in-home consultation. She booked on the spot today. We're going to be doing almost 2,400 square feet of screen and recoat. She actually added 2 more rooms today. She had Christian. Shout out to my guys, Christian. They came out this morning, moved the furniture, and they're going to be coming back this afternoon and putting the furniture back because she is going with the UV curing. Also, shout out to Mr. Anthony again. I went out to Hilton Head. If you watched the video before this one, we went to Hilton Head, South Carolina yesterday, did a job, and he's already sent me 2 referrals. And actually, one of those referrals was his daughter in Huntsville, Alabama. She wanted me to come there to do her floors. So with that being said, guys, I also have a ride along with me today, one of my students. He's going to be one of my students for about a year, but he finally planned to come out today and tomorrow. So he's going to be with me today and tomorrow, Jake from Jersey. Jake from Jersey, all right? So what we're going to be doing here today, again, Miss Mary said, Courtney, it was my fault. I should have not let him did it, but she let her painter convince her to coat her floors about a year ago, and she said, Courtney, after he did it, I just knew I made a big mistake. So what we're going to do is take off this horrible finish that he put on her floors today, put down the semi-gloss rag coat. She wants a semi-gloss, and her floors are very dark, and her house is very dark. It's kind of gloomy. So the semi-gloss will look really good. It'll probably look more like a satin, because remember, guys, it's all a reflection, okay? So I can do like a gloss in a basement that's really dark, and it probably won't even look like a gloss because it's a reflection. So with that being said, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, beautiful day. Also went and did a consultation this morning in Roswell that went very, very well. All right, so this is the home of Miss Mary and her daughter. Her daughter's also here. I met her daughter when I did the consultation. She's going to have me come look at her house, which is in the Kirkwood community. There's Jake from Jersey. So he's going to be with me today and tomorrow. And then, of course, Tavares. So these are the floors we're going to be doing, guys. And if you look really, really close, you see this? You don't even have to look close. She told me, she said, Courtney, my painting guy. That's why I say, guys, get people that specialize in things. So she said this was done a year ago. And it's a bad job. You can see lap lines like right there. She has a dog. You can see scratches where it's kind of scratching the finish. And guys, this is usually a case, especially when it happens that fast, of cheap urethane, okay? I actually did a job just like this around Thanksgiving time. And I educate people on their finishes and let them know all finishes are not equal, okay? So when I see stuff like this, now the good thing is it's not peeling. If it was peeling, the floors would need to be sanded. So we're just going to screen all this finish off. She also has some work being done, but they're just hanging some pillars. So these are the floors that we're doing. So the guys are just here hanging some things up. So this floor right here, again, Christian them came out this morning, move all the furniture, dining room. And then originally, we were not going to do these 2 rooms. But we are in this playroom, her granddaughter's grandkids room. But she said, Courtney, since you got, well, she told Christian, she said, call Courtney and let him know I want to add 2 more rooms. So I got to measure these and get these on the work order. And then this room right here. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Start screening this floor down. Then we're going to vacuum, clean it, get some good protection on it. And let Jake get some good hands on. And the good thing is Jake does know how to use a buffer. So that's really good. When I train people, they know how to use the equipment already.
Yeah.
All right, guys, stay tuned.
Sandy Springs. We call this restoration with class. So Miss Mary walked in, flows didn't feel right. Painter tried to fix it, but it didn't sit right. Cheap coat, door shine, no life in the grain. Paid once, learned twice, now she done with the pain. She said I went searching, I needed the truth. Found Truman on Google, saw the proof in the boo. Hundreds of reviews, real work on display. Said this the one right here, bring him my way. Now we stepping in smooth, no rush, no stress. 2 400 feet, we bringing back finesse. Jake on the ride along, learning the code. How to turn bad work into solid gold. It's a class act, watch how we move. Screen it down smooth, let the real shine through. No shortcuts, no cheap disguise. We restoring truth right before your eyes. It's a class act, feel that glow. UV hit, now it's ready to go. Same day, living that Truman way. Miss Mary smiling like it's brand new day. Furniture lit, the Christian crew came through. Everything cleared out, yeah, we ready to do. Old finish breaking down, we cutting it clean. Bringing back color that she ain't even seen. No sand and dust, just precision and skill. Every pass control, yeah, we working with will. From ugly to luxury, that's the transition. This ain't just coding, it's a floor renovation. Sometimes you gotta go through wrong to finally see what right look like. Now she's standing there like, this what I was supposed to have. It's a class act, watch how we move. Screen it down smooth, let the real shine through.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. Again, this is the convenience of our one-day recoat system. Right now, it's almost 6 o'clock. We was here about 11 o'clock because she had the movers come out, move the furniture. Plus, she added these other 2 rooms to have done, and they moved the furniture. So Christian and them is actually heading back now. He said they'll be here about 7. Probably take them about a few hours to get the furniture back. But again, guys, floors look amazing. You saw how the floors looked at the beginning of the video. Very uneven. It was just a bad coating. It was just a bad coating that she said her painter put on the floor. He probably used some cheap finish from Home Depot, knowing that he's a painter and he doesn't really do floors. So again, knock that floor down. Well, not the floor, knock that finish off the floor. Remember at the beginning of the video, guys, how you can see those triangles and those lap marks? You don't see those anymore, because that's what the screening does. It knocks all that old finish off, and that way we can get some really good finish. And we did the rag coat today. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Tomorrow, me and Jake have a job in Mableton, and I also have a consultation in the morning in Marietta. All right, so that's perfect. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.